Good morning children. Today start the class for 4th standard maths. Previous class you learned for measurement word problem. Once again I give for revision now. First one Sam. Dino bought 15 meter 43 centimeter of shirt material and 23 meter 94 centimeter of trouser material. So find the total material bought by him. So this one given for two types of measurement. One is shirt material, another one is trouser material. So asking the question for yours, find the total material bought by him. So this one, arrange the order for first one, meter, centimeter, then arrange the numbers, then you do for addition. So here added to this two measurement, then get it the number for 39 meter 37 centimeter. You understand children? This one second sum. A fisherman bought two nets. The length of first net and second net. First one is 23 meter 43 centimeter. Then second one 25 meter 63 centimeter. So what is the total length of net? Here given for two kinds of net. So given the measurement. Then asking for total length. So you do for addition. Then you added for centimeter and meter. Then you get the answer for 49 meter and 6 centimeter. Here first net length, then second net length. So finally you find out the answer is total length of the net. Okay children. The next one Sam. Agatya bought 70 meter 42 centimeter of wire to fancy his garden. He used only 43 meter 51 centimeter of wire. Find the length of the remaining wire. Here given for remaining. Remaining means you do here difference or do the subtraction. Okay. First one is a bigger unit for 70 meter. So here 43. So you directly take it out and write for first one is a total amount of wire 70 meter 42 centimeter. So centimeter is a smaller unit. This one small or big, don't care this. Only you check here. First one meter is only bigger number. So write the first number for 70 meter 42 centimeter. Then second number 43 meter 51 centimeter. So 43 51. So written and you do for a subtraction. So you subtracted and get the answer for 26 meter and 91 centimeter. This is the subtraction sum. Before that first one and second one for find the total length. So that one do for addition. Here asking for remaining. That's why you do for subtraction. Okay children. This one fourth sum. A shopkeeper shawl 37 meter 69 centimeter cloth out of 93 meter and 75 in stock. How much stock he left with him? So total of stock is 93 meter 75 centimeter. But he sold for 37 and 69 centimeter. So you do now. Here asking for left. How much have for left with him? So that's why you do for subtraction. Then you get the answer for 56 meter 6 centimeter. Okay children, you understand this? Remaining sums, fifth one and sixth one, do yourself children. You practice with your. Shall I move now? Exercise 4.5. Convert into centimeter. Here given the question for 5 meter. So meter is a bigger unit. Centimeter is a smaller unit. So here 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. So you multiply 5 multiply 100. So 500 centimeter. The next one 3 sums is given here. Do it first children. I give the time. First one sum how to do? 7 multiply 100. So you get the answer is 100. 7 multiply 100 equal to 700 centimeter. Then say now see sum. 9 meter. 9 meter. So you do for 9 multiply 100. So equal to 900 centimeter. The next one sum. 16 multiply 100. So you do now 1600 centimeter. 1600 centimeter. So you learn the concept for convert into centimeter. Convert into centimeter. Given the number for meter, 5 meter, 7 meter, 9 meter, 16 meter. So you multiply with 100. So 5 multiply 100 equal to 500. 7 multiply 100 equal to 700. 9 multiply 100 equal to 900. 16 multiply 100 equal to 1600. Okay children. Next one. Here convert into meter. Here given for centimeter. Centimeter is a smaller unit. Meter is a bigger unit. So you do for division. So 6000 divided by 100. So this 20 cutted now. Then you get for 60. Here this 20 cancel. Then you get the 60. Same thing you do for B sum. 4000 divided by 100 equal to this 20 is cutted now. Then you get per 40 meter. Then next one sum 13,000. So you do for meter conversion. So divided by 100. So this 20 cancel here. So you get for 130 meter. The next one last sum D 17,000. So 17,000 divided by 100. So you get for cancel 2 zeros. So you do now 170 meter. Okay, you understand now? The next one Roman letter 3 add. Simple given for add. So here first sum meter, centimeter already arranged here and give it to in your textbook also. I copied this same method. Then you do for what you do already you learned the topic for before exercise. So do for first one right hand side 5 plus 8 13. So 3 1 is carry over. Then 1 plus 7 8 8 plus 1 9. Then 4 plus 3 7. So here answer for 7 meter 93 centimeter. This is the answer. The next one sum 3 plus 4 you do for 7. 5 plus 2 7. Then 5 plus 8 13. 1 is carry over. Then 2 plus 1 3. 3 plus 1 4. So what is the answer now? 43 meter 77 centimeter. The next one C sum. This one also same method. You do yourself children. The next one fourth Roman letter subtract. So here given for measurement meter and centimeter numbers is already arranged here and give it to your textbook also same method. So easy to do for directly. You do for right hand side. First number is 8, second number is 4. So 8 subtract 4 is possible. So 8 subtract 4 you get the answer is 4. Then 2 subtract 1 1. 9 subtract 3 6. So answer for 6 meter 14 centimeter. The next one sum. B meter, centimeter, 63, 47, 36, 24. Here do for 7 subtract 4 is possible? Yes. What is the answer? 3. 4 subtract 2? 2. Then 3 subtract 6 is possible? No. Here do for borrowing. So 13. Here 5. 13 subtract 6? 7. 5 subtract 3? 2. So write the answer now. 27 meter, 23 centimeter. You understand, children? Do it for that last one sum. Here 2 subtract 8 is not possible. So here borrowing. First one 12. Then 3 is 2. So 12 subtract 8, 4. Then 2 subtract 4 is not possible. So here given 2 meter to convert here. Now 12 centimeter. Now 5. 6 changed for 5. Now 12 subtract 4, 8. Then 5 subtract 0, 5. The next one 9 subtract 2, 7. Now answer for 75 meter, 84 centimeter. Okay children, you understand this concept. This one exercise for before that exercise given for 4.1, 4.2, 4.3, 4.4. This 4 exercise is completed for exercise 4.5. This one first Roman letter, second Roman letter, then third one is addition, fourth one for subtraction, then last one word problem. So fifth one sum. Raju used 13 meter 25 centimeter ribbon for making his project. If he had bought 20 meter of ribbon, how much ribbon is left with him? Asking the question here. Left. So left means you do for subtraction. Raju used the ribbon for 13 meter 25 centimeter ribbon for making his project, but he bought 20 meter of ribbon. So how much ribbon is left with him? So already you know meter and centimeter you arranged first, then you do for subtraction. First one, total length of ribbon here given for 20 meter. So he first buy the ribbon of length. He had bought 20 meter of ribbon. So total length of ribbon is 20 meter. Then Raju used for 13 meter and 25 centimeter. So Raju used 13 meter 25 centimeter. But here 20 meter only, 1 centimeter is not given here. So I put 2 zeros. Then you do what you do, asking the question for how much ribbon is left with him. So first you do think this one sum is asking for addition or subtraction. So this one do for subtraction. So put the symbol here minus. Then you do for 0 subtract 5 is not possible. So here this one changed now. This one 2 is changed 1. This 0 is changed 10. Then give it to before. Here 9. So this one changed now 10. Here 9. So 10, 9, 9. This 2 is changed now 1. So this is the procedure. All the numbers is 0. So first you give this one. So here only 10. Before the numbers is 9. Otherwise this number is before number 2 before 1. Then you do for 10 subtract 5. 5. Then 9 subtract 2. 7. Then next one 9 subtract 3. 6. 1 subtract 1, 0. So you write now ribbon is left. Ribbon is left for 6 meter 75 centimeter. Okay children, you understand this? Then next one, sixth sum. The distance between bus stand and a school is 81 meter 40 centimeter and the distance between the school and temple is 20 meter 10 centimeter. What is the total distance from bus stand to temple? So here between the distance school and bus stand. Bus stand and school is the first one. Distance is given for 81 meter 40 centimeter. Then distance between school and temple. Here 20 and 10. So 20 is a meter, 10 is a centimeter. So here asking the question for what is the total distance from bus stand to temple? So first one is bus stand, then school, then temple. You imagine this. So here distance is 81, this one is 20. So this total amount is asking for bus stand to temple. So that one you do for addition. That one you do addition. Imagine first, then you do for addition. Then next you do for directly 0 plus 0, 0. 4 plus 1, 5. And then 0 plus 1, 1. 8 plus 2, 10. So write the answer now. 101 meter 50 centimeter. You understand now children? The distance between bus stand to temple. So 101 meter and 50 centimeter. Okay children. Unit 4 measurement is completed today. We will learn for next class time. Thank you.